Hi, Chris Saunders here, Integrated Communications, creators of the ELD in a Box. I got a question for you. Are you tired of watching your drivers just walk off and go drive for your competitor? Sucks, doesn't it? I mean, because driver turnover is the #1 problem that you deal with, right? Well, what if I told you that we could eliminate at least one reason why that driver would leave? It's making sure you have the right gear, the right setup, and the right management of your ELD tablets. I mean, it's what the driver uses all day long, right? Why not make sure that you have the right gear? Make sure that it's set up the right way. Make sure that it's managed the right way. Let me guess, you got this Amazon crap. Yeah, and it's crap. Look at all this stuff. I mean, tablet probably doesn't stay mounted, probably doesn't stay charged. Display keeps timing out and stuff. Your driver probably argues with it all day long. And they're probably telling the dispatcher about it. The dispatcher hears it from all your drivers. The dispatcher doesn't care. So you're probably not hearing about this. You're probably hearing about this from me. I'm telling you that kind of stuff happens on a daily basis. You know what you need? You need our ELD in a box. Boom. Truck numbers on the outside, inside, everything you need. Not just any gear, the right gear. We're talking about this tablet in a ruggedized case. All your applications are loaded. Everything is set up properly. Everything is locked down. This tablet mounts in this dock. And by the way, the case was meant for the tablet. This thing docks. It charges. It's hardwired in. It's set up properly. The display doesn't time out. The GPS is accurate. The security settings are accurate. And whenever you need to do an update for your ELD application, we manage it for you with our mobile device management software and our mobility management services. You tell us you need an update, my team just says, boom, updated. No driver sitting beside the road, no paper logs, no line at Sandra's desk. Whenever they come back waiting to get their tablets updated, it just gets handled. And your driver gets the best experience they can get with an ELD system. Oh, by the way, we even put driver training videos right on the tablet. So they need to know how to certify their logs. They need to know how to do team driving. They need to know how to edit their logs. It's all right there for you and for them. Now that is removing one obstacle from your driver and removing one reason for your driver to leave your company. If we can help you, let us help you. Because you know what? We love this country and we love the truck drivers that keep this country moving. Thank you so much for watching this video, and click the link below. Click the link below and allow us to help you. Thank you so much.